Welcome to a short video where I will try to explain you how to use my trades page. After successfully adding the IP key, you will see a list of your trades in the table. Let's take a look at the interface. It consists of three main parts. This is a table with trades, filters and trades details, which we will discuss a little later. We will start with filters. To open or close filters, click on this button. Here you can filter trades by any necessary parameters and immediately see the result below. There are also three buttons here. The export button, which exports all trades, taking into account the selected filters, into Excel file. You can clear all filters and customize the table. I'll tell you more about how to customize the table after reviewing the basic of my trades page. Below we see the categories. You can create your own categories and customize them by clicking on this button. The Hive category is not your usual category. If you move a trade to this category, it will disappear from the list of the trades and will not be taken into account in statistics. Let's change the category of any trade. To do this, click on the check mark and select the desired category in pop-up window. Let's move on to the table. As you can see, it is very wide because by default we show all possible columns. You can change this by clicking on the table settings in the filters or in the profile settings. We will do this a little later. If you do not know what a particular column means, you can always hover over question mark in the table heading. Some columns are covered with padlock icon. This means that this data is not available for a free account. At the bottom right, we can move between pages and also change how many trades will be shown on the page. You can also use Ctrl plus right and left arrows on your keyboard to quickly switch pages. You can add reasons for entering a trade right in the table. To do this, opposite the desired trade, enter the reason. We recommend using a short tag, for example a level breakout, and press enter on the keyboard to add a new tag. Then you can reuse it. Why you need to add reasons for entering, we described in our blog article. I will leave the link in the description under the video. Let's open the trade by clicking on the icon in the very first column in the table and slightly adjust the size of the chart. On the left you see a chart with all entries and exits. And on the right is a field for entering a description of how your trade went and the conclusion. If you filled it, a check mark will appear in this column, so you can see which trade you missed and did not fully analyze. Below you can insert the link to a video if you're recording it. Add screenshots from the terminal or trading view. Below we see a detailed list of all orders in the trade and public link to the trade. You can share this link with any person and he will see all the details of the trade along with the chart. As I promised, let's tweak the table and remove some of the columns. To do this, click on the Customize Table button in the Filters section. On the left, enabled columns, and on the right, all available. Because we have everything included, this list is empty. Let's remove a couple of columns by clicking on the cross and dragging them. Each column has a privacy setting and some have a visual setting. If you turn on color highlighting, a value above 0 will be green and below it will be red. What is a privacy setting? The site has a privacy mode for public places. When enabled, all private information will be hidden from prying eyes, but on hover it will be available again. It is also convenient to take a screenshot of specific trade on chart. Privacy mode works on all pages. This concludes a brief overview of my trades page. If you still have questions, be sure to ask them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for your time.